Industrial facilities are prone to experiencing power fluctuations on a daily basis. Individuals may not notice such changes until sensitive equipment starts malfunctioning or suddenly breaks down. By then it would be too late, as the damage has already been done and operational setbacks are sure to follow without timely maintenance, repair, or replacement. For businesses looking to avoid this scenario, installing a power conditioner at the site would address and correct such power issues. The unit also offers peace of mind, as the type of protection can ensure return on investment on heavy-duty machinery. Here are some benefits of power conditioners: voltage regulation, corrects power factor, surge protection, reduces energy waste, increases power quality, boosts productivity, and decreases equipment malfunction and premature failure. Larson Electronics offers a myriad of 3-phase power conditioners for industrial and commercial locations. Check out our complete selection today at larsonelectronics.com. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.